So I'm taking metformin every day. You know, exercise, metformin, I don't really have the, and then the other thing is pretty clear that you don't want inflammation. It really produces that, and so I'm taking ibuprofen, then I have to take somebody to let me take ibuprofen, so I'm beginning to take too many things every day. And though I shouldn't admit it, I'm also taking something that extends my telomeres. Yeah, why not? So, this is just and the metformin works when you're P53 minus and you don't have apoptosis. So the cells may be dying, you know, they're just digesting themselves. So my story's conclusion is maybe we have already the drugs that could stop really bad cancer. And we should just use them. So there is a battle, you know, of can you, before, you know, you don't want the tumors to be mesenchymal. You would like to get them when they're still epithelial and treat them. So you've got to use these things before you use anything else. And particularly don't take Avastin. Yeah. You'll pass on a lot more money to your children. I mean, yeah. But Avastin might work, you know, maybe, you know, Roche will find a way to combine it with something and then still charge you this large amount. But, you know, my hope is that we can cure cancer with, you know, generics. And, you know, metformin is almost a generic. And so I'm a lot more optimistic than most of my friends. And I don't think it's because, you know, I'm, you know, just want to see a cure in my lifetime. I actually think, you know, you can make a good intellectual argument. But virtually everyone I know, you know, doesn't agree with me. That is, they just want to go on doing cancer research without the obligation to cure anyone. And I think it's sort of irresponsible, you know, that they don't really feel the necessity to try and cure people. I'm hoping to get a lot of money at Cold Spring Harbor so we really can move through the clinic. But the best way, you know, I think in moving to the clinic, we want to just cure mice. So we, you know, have this thing, we want the world's best mouse hospital. Yeah, I think it'll be easier, you know, but you can run through a lot of combinations. You just want to try this and that. They have very good, there was a paper with mice at Cold Spring Harbor 2 weeks ago of a, basically rapamycin in a chaperone, anti-chaperone. Very effective. Neither by themselves are doing damn thing. So I think we're really finally going to do it, and I, you know, look forward very much to introducing lithium into Cold Spring Harbor. So, you know, we're following Cork, so it's been a very nice visit. Thank you.
Dr. Watson, thank you for that indeed very splendid lecture. And one agrees with you that we are in the business of trying to cure cancer, and I think as I heard you there, I was saying that inside you is a surgeon trying to break out. You have been very generous with your time, very generous with people, and very generous with your lecture, and we appreciate that very much. And I have two things to give you. The first one is the medal from the university and the Cork Cancer Research Centre.
Yeah.
The first medal that was commissioned for this lecture. The second thing, which is, I hope you appreciate, is a facsimile, and it's a very limited edition of the facsimiles of, I think, the most ancient Irish manuscript, the biography of St. Columba, which was written in the late 7th century, 695, somewhere between 695 and 715, and it's a biography of Columba in Iona, and it was produced in Iona, and it has been produced in a limited series. The actual facsimile, it is bound as was the original, and this has been produced, this manuscript exists in Switzerland at the present time, and of course it's bound in goatskin. We would like you to have this.
Thank you, Joe.